G'day guys, how's it going? Right, we are cooking typical Aussie snags, sausages in bread, however you want to bloody say it. We're going to time this. I want to show you how quick and simple to do something like this is. So what I've got here is a pot and pan set. There's my little bloody cook kit and just a little esky thing. So I'm going to run a timer. There we go, we're going to run a timer. We'll get that bloody kicking off. That's going, that's running, put that to the side, and we'll just see at the end of this, because I'll obviously do a bit of fast motion cutting in bits and pieces, but we'll see what the legitimate time is. So I've just pulled up on the motorbike, I've getting my stuff out now. I'm working at a bench in my garage, but you could be at a picnic bench, or you could be on the ground, which is where a lot of the time I do my shit. But, right, so the first thing we need to do is get out our pot set. Boom. All I need is a pan, and that's a seasoned pan. Obviously need some gas, a little stove, an adapter. Right, that is our cooking stove done. Got our pan. I'll grab out a cutting board there. Find me pair of tongs. Some tomato sauce. Decent knife. Might need the lighter. Some oil. Now, what have we got? So obviously when you're doing this stuff, a bit of prior preparation always goes a long way. So I've just pretended that these were frozen. I've got a cool pack in there, so that by the time you get there, they're normally defrosted. If not, before you're getting close to where you're going, you can always pull them out to defrost a little bit quicker. Got an onion, and we've got a little bag here there. So, sausages, cool pack we don't need now. In here. Now this is baking paper. So what you do is just do your bread with butter and cheese slice on there. And I'm just using this baking paper. Just makes that so easy. Whoa, now I've made a mess. And remember guys, we always carry out our rubbish. Right, so what I want to do now is I want to get these cooked. This and the onion is the main part of it. So we shall turn that on. Sometimes that's a bugger. That's why I always carry a lighter on me. Oil in the pan, wash it around. Chuck that on the burner. Now, will the snags fit in? Yeah, they will. Sometimes, actually guys, I'll bring this over a little bit. Sometimes you have to cut your sausages, but in this particular pan, I'm all good, so we'll leave that there. Fish. What I will do is I have a little tool here. It's a gauze mat. You don't necessarily need it unless you're doing pancakes. I'll put that on that flame like that, then I'll hunker it up. And what that does is it spreads the heat out on that fry pan. Right, so we've got an onion, we've got to cut that up. We want that cooking. That'll do, only need half. Throw that in. The other, I won't worry about the other one. Keep it simple. Now always carry a bag with bits and pieces in it. And I'm looking for a paper towel. Give that a clean up, she's right to go. Hang on to this because we're going to use it on the fry pan. Tell you what, it smells bloody good. Now while that's cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat this, and then I'm going to want to have a cup of coffee after it. So I'll get that getting ready to go. So we've got a cup, spoon. Where's my water? Grab me water out of the pannier on the bike. Now remember, I'm pretending I'm in my garage. Like a bit of water in there. Only what I need. So as soon as this is done, that's going to go straight on and start boiling up. And there's my coffee satchel. Now I've got the roller door partly open. I've got this door open here just so that the smoke in here can go out. But I'm getting quite a breeze coming through. So I always have in the cook kit one of these bloody shields. Put that around there, and hey presto, you'll stop the wind mucking around with your fry pan. Hopefully you guys can still see that. Rightio, so that's how far we're going, 11 and a half minutes. So hopefully within 15 minutes I should be eating and nearly having a bloody cup of coffee going. Whoa! Wow! Can you see that? That's a spider. Hey! You little bastard. We'll let him go outside. Jesus. Oh, it must have been all the smoke and the heat. Sent him down. Righto. Bloody cobweb. Alright, let's piss that off. I reckon that's done. Chuck our cup on. Get that boiling. Right up on there. Right. So remember I said keep that. While this is hot, clean it out, because it'll make you, it's just easy. There we go guys, clean as, it's still bloody hot though. Alright, whack some tomato sauce on here. And there we go guys, that is ready to go. Coffee's bloody going. Bloody good shit. And there you go, that's 15 minutes. I'll tell you what, you've been out riding motorbikes, having something like, I call this real food, not, you know, tin food or dehydrated stuff, or, you know, what do you call it, dim sims from the bloody servo and chips and shit. This always feels better. Righto, there we go guys, we've got a boil up. Oh, burnt down shit. Oh. Cold water. And there we go, sausage in bread with cheese, onion, tomato sauce, and a cup of coffee to go. Doesn't get any better. Oh yes, that is bloody good shit. Well, there you go guys. I just wanted to do that just to show you that 15 minutes, let's call it 20 minutes by the time I got this done. That's a lunch on the side of the bloody track. No worries at all. Righto, remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.